So I'll be showing you how to replace the batteries of your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV remote. So this is a remote here, and if you want to replace the batteries or to change batteries, simply take your remote and go to the back of that remote, and then at the back you want to simply just put your finger here and slide this door down. Okay, so once you slide it down, then you can take it out like that, and then you'll see the batteries. Okay, now with the batteries, these batteries are spring loaded, so this one on the right, you press it down to remove it like that, and then this one you have to push it up to remove it like that. Okay, like that. Okay, you can see the battery chamber is spring loaded. All right, so once you get your new batteries, it's the same process. Simply push the spring up like that, and then take the other battery and push this other spring down like that as you push in the battery like that. Okay, and then take your cover back, place it here, and then once it sits flush, you can now push it up until it locks in place. And that's basically how to replace batteries of your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV remote. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.